Hey everybody, it's BJ Broussard here, Primeaux. We're gonna do a video, another walkthrough Wednesday. We're gonna do this one on the 2020 Chateau Sprinter 24 DS. What's nice about this, a couple of things. It's full body paint. It's on the Mercedes Benz. It's a 3500 diesel V6 3.0 liter. It has a almost 27 gallon tank, fuel tank. It's got almost a 70 on the propane side. So you've got almost 70 gallons on the propane, 68, I wanna say. It's got a large awning with the LED strip. On the exterior, I mean, that black and gray color looks really, really well in that full body paint on this unit. And it's length, it's only 25 foot 8 inches. So this is a really good unit. And at this length, it's hard to get a lot of sleeping. Come check this out. 5 to 7 in this unit, believe it or not. You can put 2 up here above the cab. You can put 1 on this dinette. And depending on how good of a time you had this weekend, you can even sleep on these 2 theater seats. They'll both recline pretty far out to where you could sleep 2 more there and then 2 more in that queen size bed up front. Now, because we're back here, I'll go ahead and show you. So the full queen, you have a lot of closet space, cabinets above head, TV area. Bathroom's gonna be in this corner. Good size bathroom, big stand-up shower. We've got decent sized pantry, couple drawers. You've got the standard gas and electric fridge in here as well. And the generator's on and the vehicle is on. So you can't even hear this Mercedes running. So this diesel runs very quiet. You have a little extra counter space right here, good sized sink, 2 burner stove, and again, more cabinets up top. These 2 seats up front, and here's the ladder just showing you that you can get up on the cab. Both of these front seats swivel back towards the back end, so you can have a little bit more seating there comfortably. It's got this new technology front end. It's got a nice size screen, Sirius radio. Your shifter is actually in the steering wheel, so that's actually really neat. Beautiful coach. Again, walkthrough Wednesday, 2020 Chateau 24 DS full body paint. Guys, it's one you need to see, so come to Primeaux and let us show it to you.